We'll guide you through how to delete TikTok videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and so for whatever reason you want to delete a TikTok video, perhaps you accidentally posted it and you no longer want it on your account, or perhaps you went and just posted it a long time ago. You find it embarrassing or it just doesn't really suit your account anymore and so you want to go and delete it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So make sure it's this full video. When we've completed, it will no longer be on your account and it'll be gone. So to get started, you need to head to your TikTok profile. To do this, you need to come into the TikTok app and head to the bottom right, and then you should find profile, as you can see. So here we are. You can scroll through here and see I've got quite a few different videos. What you need to do is go and locate the video you wish to go and delete and get off your profile. So you can go and see I've got quite a lot of different ones here. Just to be clear, this does also apply to photo posts as well. You're going to see I have got some slides here, but you can do the same thing with them and videos as well. So in this case, I want to go and delete this video here. So let me go and tap on it. So you may want to consider saving it just before you do this, because otherwise you won't be able to go and get it back. So you can press the three dots in the bottom right, and then you can go and open up the send to menu. So if you want to go and save this for the future onto your gallery, you can always press download, and it'll then go and be downloaded and it'll be in your phone gallery. So you still have your own copy of it. But then to delete it, what you need to do is press the three dots in the bottom right, come to the bottom of the send to menu. There are quite a few options here, but what you need to do is go and keep swiping across until you get right to the end. And the second to last option is delete, as you can see. So you can press delete, and if you're sure, you can press delete, and then it'll go and say delete at the top, and you'll go and see it's now gone off my profile. You successfully deleted it. So if you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.